Hello and welcome to Author Visual Hacks. This course shows you how you can create a fantastic looking cover for your ebook or digital product using just PowerPoint. As an author and digital product producer, you know how important it is to have a fantastic looking cover. But perhaps you don't know anything about design. You don't mind outsourcing, but wish there was a way you could do it yourself, so you don't have to always rely on someone else, especially when you have to pay them every time for every small change. This is exactly why I created Author Visual Hacks. You see, not long ago, I was where you are now. I needed ebook covers, and I decided to figure out how to do it by myself. No, I don't have any design skills either, but what I do have are the skills and the persistence to deconstruct a fantastic cover and figure out what makes it so. Once I figured that out, I put together a step-by-step blueprint for you to recreate these amazing covers in a systematic, repeatable way. In this course, I will show you how to research what would make a winning cover for your particular niche, find the elements that you need and put them all together so that you can create a beautiful cover using good old PowerPoint. You will learn how to create your ebook cover in 2D and 3D formats, and you will be able to watch over my shoulder while I create ebook covers starting with just the concept all the way to the finished product. Get control of the ebook cover part of your digital product creation process. It's all very well to write the book, but don't you wish you could also do the cover portion? Change your titles, change your fonts, whatever you want, just anytime you want to, because you can, and you'll be able to do it yourself. Join me today and master your author visual hacks.